Hello there and welcome to our live launch of the new Speed Triple 1200 RR, the stunning new pinnacle in Speed Triple elegance, sophistication and attitude. And today we're going to tell you all about what makes this the most exhilarating speed ever, bringing all of the new generation triple-powered revolution. And adding on this new flagship RR, the pinnacle in Speed Triple specification. All new electronic suspension, higher spec tyres, and the most focused poise and attitude ever. And as you can see, delivering a really distinctive new look, including this beautiful new fairing. Today, we're going to hear all about it from the Triumph team, and better still, get some first impressions from some of the racers and riders involved in the bike's launch. So let's get to it. Hi Steve, good to see you. Now, obviously this is a really beautiful motorcycle, but what was the actual ambition behind the new RR?
Well, Matt, the UK's most iconic automotive brands have got a proud tradition of combining distinctive and elegant styling with exhilarating real-world performance. Now, following this tradition, we wanted to create something truly unique, taking the real-world capability and iconic status of the Speed Triple, but making it more focused, with more performance, and with a style and beauty that will turn heads everywhere that you ride it. Now, in essence, this is our take on a modern cafe racer, and in line with that tradition, it's what I would describe as the ultimate sports bike for the road. Now, key to the increase in performance and focus meant building on the strong attributes of the Speed Triple RS, with its lightweight chassis, its agile handling and performance brakes, but to provide a more engaged and focused riding position, and to add some key improvements to the level of equipment and specification, including the addition of top-spec Öhlins semi-active suspension and Super Corsa SP V3 tyres. Now, overall, I think this is the most unique, elegant and exhilarating Speed Triple ever.
Thanks, Steve. Now, as you've already seen in our opening film, we've had some very capable riders on the new RR, putting it through its paces. So let's hear what they think of the new setup.
I love the fact that it has this like sleek look to it, this elegant, like sexy look, but underneath it's still the same mean 1200 platform in it that just, for me, rips. Watching the evolution from the 1050 to the 1200 has so much more power, so much more torque, so much more mid, so much more top end. All in all, just a rad bike. The suspension is so good. I don't know if it's the clip-on position, the seating position, but there's something on this bike, the overall package, that just handles. Whether you're on the track or on the road, it doesn't matter. It just feels right.
Blown away. Completely blown away with what the RR offers. It's not a Speed Triple with clip-ons. It's not a sport bike. I believe this bike is in a class of its own, and I think it's something that's going to be chased and emulated and followed for many years to come. I don't really think you're going to find a more fun package to ride.
Now, you can see for yourself that this bike looks absolutely stunning. So let's hear more about the design of it now with Triumph's head of brand management.
Thanks, Matt. So let me tell you all about the styling and the design of the new Speed Triple, starting with the new fairing and its sculpted single LED headlight setup, which is a real work of art, very distinctive, with more than a touch of Triumph's classic DNA, but also completely modern. This goes hand in hand with the new, more focused ergonomics, which includes the clip-on bars, which are lower and further forward than the RS, and a new tailored foot peg position, which gives you a really engaged ride, which is also really comfortable thanks to its narrow tank, its sculpted seat profile, and that really accessible 830mm seat height. Together, as you can see, all of that gives you the undeniable Triumph silhouette and an even more imposing stance and attitude. Now, let me run you through some of the key details. You've got all of the pure, clean and sharp lines of the new generation, with the same really distinctive LED taillight signature built into its compact rear end. Plus, the Speed Triple's signature single-sided swinging arm, the 17-inch cast aluminium wheels, and, just on the new RR, a host of new carbon fibre details, which you can see on the side panels, the cockpit, and the fairing. And when you add these to the carbon fibre front mudguard, you've got a really sophisticated look. Now, the new RR comes in 2 colours, red hopper and also a crystal white, which, as you can see, has got premium gold detailing. Now, for me, what adds that extra touch that makes all the difference is the attention to detail around the bike. From the branded handlebar clamp, a really clean cockpit with all the cables and hoses hidden away, and also that beautiful silhouette, completed by the colour-coded belly pan and colour-coded seat cowl that you only get on the RR, which comes with an interchangeable pillion seat. Finally, if you want to add even more detail or personalise the RR to your specification, there's over 30 Triumph accessories available, some of which are showcased here, which you can learn all about on the Triumph website.
OK, now let's talk about that engine and the new technology. Stuart, tell us all about it.
Hi, Matt. The engine in the RR is really impressive. This is our new 1200 triple, and just like the Speed Triple RS, it delivers 180 PS peak power and a peak torque of 125 Newton meters. But what really makes this special is how that power and torque is delivered, with the triple's strong mid-range torque and incredible top-end power. The Speed Triple RR also has a really impressive power-to-weight ratio, low engine inertia and really sharp response, delivering fantastic performance. You've also got the new generation's precise stacked 6-speed gearbox with up and down quick shifter and a slip assist clutch.
Right, Stu, tell us about the technology now.
Well, in terms of what's new on the RR, you've got the all-new Olin Smart EC2 semi-active suspension, their ultimate suspension system. And as I mentioned, just like the RS, you've also got the fast and precise Triumph Shift Assist up and down quick shifter with downshift throttle blip. You've got 5 riding modes, including a really sophisticated track mode, the full-colour 5-inch TFT instrument setup with the My Triumph connectivity system fitted as standard, optimised cornering ABS and switchable optimised cornering traction control, plus many other features, including a full keyless system and full cruise control. This bike is quite simply awesome. It looks fantastic and rides even better.
Great stuff, thanks, Stu. Now, who better to give us some feedback on what this new generation is actually like to ride than Ironman TT racer Maria Costello, who got her hands on an RR last week. Hi, Maria, great to see you. So what do you think about the new bike?
It's fabulous. So I've ridden the RS, but this has got more of an aggressive racer riding position, and I loved it on the circuit. But what's really brilliant is you take all of this bike and put it on the road and everything transfers to the road so brilliantly. Yeah, I love it.
What about the electronic suspension? Tell me a bit about how that feels.
Yeah, I mean, the Speed Triple has fantastic handling anyway, but that just makes it even better. So, yeah, just blown away.
Great stuff. What about you at the moment? Racing season so far, how's it going?
Yeah, I've been out on my Super Twin and racing the sidecar again. Been doing all of that on short circuits, but it's all about getting ready for the TT next year. Can't wait to get back there.
Well, we're all looking forward to that. Wish you the best of luck in the meantime. Thanks, Maria. Now, on the all-important news on price. In the UK, the new Speed Triple RR will be £17,950. And depending on where you are in the world, the RR will be coming into dealers at the beginning of January, with Triumph's really high 10,000-mile or 16,000-kilometre service interval, and its 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. So there you have it, the new Speed Triple RR, triple-powered perfection. A new statement in Speed Triple beauty, sophistication and design, the new pinnacle in Speed Triple specification, and the most focused and exhilarating ride ever. Thank you for joining us for our launch today. Let's see the bike in action one last time.